Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty on the Go with Sherese. So today I have some stuff in store for you guys that I want you guys to see. I'm going to be making a crochet wig. Yes, a crochet wig. Something simple, straight to the point. You can put it on and you can take it off at night and you can just be about your day. Who want to be about their day? Who wants to spend hours in a salon sitting there doing box braids? I wait. No one, not even me. So we're gonna make a crochet wig so that way you can either take it off at night and put your bonnet on, or you can keep it on. Whichever way you want to do it. It's all about you and how you feel. So today I'm going to use the 12-inch hair, and it's the Goddess braids, and this is how it looks. Is in color it's in color 1B burgundy, and it's curly at the ends and stuff like that. So here's the label. You can look at that label and see what that be like right there. Okay, and then so we're going to use a crochet wig cap. Bam. We're going to use a crochet hook. Bam. And we're also going to need clips. We're going to use these clips. So that's all you will need. Oh, and you will need this, let me see, mannequin head. Yes, let's get this mannequin head going. Yes, she's going to be what you need. Stay tuned. I got more video, and if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to start off by using a netted crochet cap. You take the braid and you crochet it right through the holes in the cap, and you don't have to do it close. It don't have to be, close at all. You can have some type of space so that way when you put it on your hair, it won't be a whole bunch of hair. It will be sparingly throughout. Now that this wig is completed, it has taken me 1 hour to complete this whole wig. And this is in color 1B burgundy. And it's a 12-inch long crochet braided wig. Look at the fullness of it. Look how beautiful this is. Next step, I'm going to use a crochet needle. I'm also going to use the rest of the braids that was left over from the wig. And these braids have loops in it, so this will be an easy install for my hair. This is a braided crochet wig. This is in color 1B burgundy. It took me exactly an hour to make this whole wig. So this is how my hair is going to look underneath the wig. So we're just going to use some edge booster, and then we're going to braid my hair, and we're going to add the crochet braids right in between my hair to stick that through there, and then pull the crochet braid up through my hair and take the ends and loop it through the crochet braids and then pull. And then after that, we're going to take my hair and we're going to crochet my hair through the braid. It took me 45 minutes to crochet the front of my hair. Now I'm going to take some foam lotion and I'm going to put it throughout the front of my hair so that way I can have a crisp finished look. So I've installed combs on this wig. I done put combs on the sides, the front, and the back of this unit. So that way, when you put the hair on your head, it won't move around. So you pop that right into the braids that I got on my head, and you put it all around and secure it on each side as well as the back. So you put the foam lotion on the rest of the unit so that way the braids can be crisp all over your head. Look at that. So you just work that right through. Style number one, I'm just simply gathering my crochet braids off to the side, something that you can do on your own, and it's quick and simple and on the go type of look. I'm going to add some edge booster. So I'm going to make sure I swoop my edges, because when them edges is done, it make your whole hairstyle look great. So style number two. So I'm just going to gather my hair and put it in a ponytail. So I'm going to have some up and some down. Something simple, straight to the point. Watch me work.